Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to introduce you to automated trading function. What is automated trading function? Automated trading function is a kind of bot trading function which allow you to set up your trading strategy for robot to automatically execute trade for you. How to find the function? Automated trading is located in the fourth icon in the system menu, which is called Lab. Once click on it, the automated trading panel will show up. How to start setting up automated trading? To add a new strategy, you can click on the central text or you can click on the button Add at the top right corner. After clicking on it, the strategy setting panel will pop up. On the first tab, you can select any strategies from the list of strategies. Here we use the system's built-in example strategy. You can double-click on the strategy to add, or you can click on button Add. To remove it back, you can select the strategy and click on button Delete or Delete All. Right now, I choose Moving Average strategy for demonstration. If you want to configure the related settings, just click the Settings button below, and you can adjust the settings. The first one is Parameter tab. In Parameter, you can modify the strategy setting according to your preferable setup. Remember, each strategy parameter will be different depend on what strategy you selected. Second tab is the Drawing Style tab. It allows users to customize on the strategy showing style. This one also different according to each strategy you selected. Third tab is the Coordinates tab. It allows users to modify the strategy coordination. With the setting Auto, user can zoom in and out to change the price range and observe the quote status easily. Symmetrical, it requires to fill in the center point in order to set the center point of view on the chart. Then the chart center will be the center point you set. Upper or lower limits, after fill in max and min, this will limit the axis price range between min and max price. Format, this will show the axis number format according to the setting. The last tab is Numeric format. Numeric format is the format number of the strategy plot number showing above the price chart. There are 4 options of number format. If you choose Full, the strategy plot number will show the full format. Digits, the number will be limited to the specific digit which we choose. Percentage, the number will be shown as percentage. By symbol, will show the specific symbol. Once you've finished adjusting everything on all the tabs, click OK to apply. Then you'll go back to the strategy settings panel if you want to make adjustments again. Click the settings button below, and you can adjust the settings again. The second tab of the strategy settings panel is Apply. You must select what time frame period. Period will show us which time frame you want to apply. Date range, there are 2 more options to choose. Count, will show us how many bars count you want to apply. When you select count, it will calculate the strategy only in these specific bars. Start, will show us the started date which we want to use. When select Start, the strategy only calculates the bars after the start date you set. Symbol list. User can select which wanted symbol to choose from market category. Market, it contains symbol groups and symbol security from your company. Search. User can search for a specific symbol. On the right-hand side, you can choose the option for the strategy to autofill candlestick and hedged positions. Autofill candlestick will allow users to decide whether to fill candlestick. It may or may not affect many technical indicator. Hedged positions will allow system to execute buy or sell order at the same time. Once selected the symbol, it will show up in the position section. In here, you can see the symbol listed, your account number and the Set Position button. Set Position allows you to generate strategy ID, choose type of order and the available order. The orders which are already existed will be available to select. Otherwise, it will show no position currently available to select. After selecting and confirming OK, the information will show down here. The third tab of the Strategy Settings panel is Trading. Allow up to mean the same direction order. If you want to allow pyramiding, check this box. To allow pyramiding once, enter 2. This means that the strategy can have a maximum of 2 positions with the same direction, either buy or sell. Once check on Allow up to, there are 2 more options enabled. Checking on Regardless of the entry that generated the order means that if the order is generated by the same signal, as long as the conditions are met, the order will be entered. This means that the same signal can enter the market multiple times. However, checking on Exclude the same entry order means that it is excluded orders generated by the same signal. The same signal can only enter the market once. To enter the market again, you must wait for the next signal. Max volume. This can set the maximum position limit you allowed. Volume is per trade order volume. If a specific order volume is defined within the strategy, this setting will be bypassed. The last tab is ATRM, which stands for Automated Trading Risk Management. In here, you can set risk management for your automated trading. You can set the maximum trades of each strategy per day and the trading frequency in a specific time. Remember, the automated trading will be stopped when exceeding restriction, and you must confirm to restart again. This means that as soon as the limit is reached, the system will sound an alert and pause automated trading until the user confirms it before restarting. Whenever you are satisfied with everything, you can click on button OK. After the automated trading is completed and displayed on the panel, you must toggle the pause button to run to start it. Then a confirm window will pop up to ensure whether to perform automated trading. You will see the overview information of your automate trading, such as the symbol, the account number, the strategy ID, the PNL, all strategies, the duration, and the started date. You can also delete the automated trading by clicking on the delete button, then confirm OK to delete. The second button is used to check the strategy report. Strategy report will provide us the report result of the symbol, such as the percent profitable, net PNL, profit factor, max loss, performance overview, equity curve and max loss, detail equity curve and max loss, trade detail, max profit and loss, monthly analysis, and yearly analysis. The third button is used to check the trading signal. Trading signals will show us the signals provided from the automated trading on the chart. And the last button is used to adjust the strategy setting. If adjustments are needed, you must first disable the Run button before making adjustments to the settings. Okay, now, after get to know about how to set up automated trading, let's take a look at the automated trading overview. On the top of automated trading status, we got the display of the overall status of your automated trading with your hardware status shown together. The first block is your automated trading status. It shows how many automated trading are running with the blue light indicator, how many automated trading are abnormal with the red light indicator, and how many automated trading are pausing with the gray light indicator. The second block shows your memory status after running these amount of automated trading. It shows how much more space is left on your computer and how much use space of your memory. The third block shows your current overall CPU usage of the computer. Remember, if your memory or your CPU is running out of space, the system will pop up a warning message. The middle is the overall status of your automated trading, which is already introduced previously. The block below is called AT, Positions Information. The upper information is the position for the symbol of this account, and the lower information is the position for the symbol associated with this strategy. Here are many columns showing the different types of positions in your account. Account, show what account you are using. Symbol, show what symbol you are trading. Strategy ID will only be displayed at lower one. Actual long or short, will display the actual quantity and the actual average price. Upper are this account's existing positions, and lower is the position related to the strategy. Strategy long or short, will display the theoretical quantity and theoretical price of the strategy. P&L, shows the current unrealized profit and loss. Order volume, is the number of orders feedback from the server triggered by automated trading. Order count, calculate the times of server feedback orders triggered by automated trading. Send volume, is the number of orders sent to the server triggered by automated trading. Send count, calculate the times of sent server orders triggered by automated trading. Remember, these information columns show the total information of each specific symbol. On the top right side of your status, there are a few more buttons which is more convenient for you to control your automated trading. For the Add button, it allows user to add more automated trading, but if the memory or CPU is overused, it will pop up a warning message. Although the prompt window jump, the automated trading can still be added. For the Risk Setting button, the setting allow us to set risk management for your automated trading. Recalculate time, risk management is recalculated from what time each day. Total number of trades, allows users to set limit for the total transaction per day. Position limit, allow users to set limit for the total position of each symbol. You can set the specific symbol by clicking the button Detailed Settings. After selecting, you can add a specific symbol to limit the volume of positions. Then click OK. In the risk management for automated trading part has been explained over there with the strategy setting. One is a single strategy setting, and here is the overall strategy setting. For the Stop button, it allows user to stop all automated trading immediately at a time. For the Start button, it allows user to start all automated trading immediately at a time. Thank you for watching patiently and hope you understand better.